Alright, the next thing we do on our popper, we got to do a little layout. And we're going to lay out a couple of areas where we're going to put some holes. The bottom hole is 15/16 from the tail of the plug. The hook hole is 2 inches from the tail end of the plug. And all you got to do is maybe use a little combination square, set it for 2, set it for 15/16. And these are your locations where you're going to drill a hole. The top hole, the hook hole, we're going to go through the center, because we want the wire to come through the center and catch our swivel. The hook hole, we want to just drill to the center without perforating the center too much. It's hard to do. You will do it, but there's an easy repair to do it. You can use some wood putty to fill that hole, that lead hole, the weight hole in the back. Because if you go through and you pour some lead in it, because I'll melt my lead and pour it into the plug. If there's a hole perforated through the center, into the center hole, the lead will fill up in the center of the plug. No good. You can use a split shot. I don't use it. I melt a little bit of lead with a propane torch, fill the hole cavity. But it's kind of sometimes impossible to not pierce the center. But you can fix it with, some wood putty, and I'll show you how that goes. We're using a 1/4 inch drill bit, and the key is you want to find the base of that plug, because that's where you want your hook hole and your lead hole in line as best you can. Perfection, do the best you can. That's all you can ever do. You want to find that bottom of that plug where you made that 35-degree. Eye it. I'm going to get the base of that plug correct. Mark up my lines. Line up my lines. And I'm going to go through the center of the plug. I'm going to run a wire through it, see where we are. You can see the wire coming through. There's not enough depth in that hole to catch a swivel. So we're going to drill a little more because we can. It's the hook hole. Check it with the wire. You see that? I don't know if you can see that, but I got enough distance to the top of the plug without going through. I can put a swivel in there and catch that wire. The back hole is different. We only want to come into the center of the plug. If we want to add some lead, we don't want to go through it. Center it up. And this is what we're going to have. The front hook hole, we can grab the wire with a swivel. The back hole, we're going to put a little bit of lead in the back for casting. And we're going to do all the plugs like this. Hook hole, past the center, so we can put a swivel and grab the wire. The rear, we don't want to go past the center. We want to get close to the center. And if you pierce it, you can use some wood putty with a nail and just fill the bottom of the hole if you're pouring lead in. If not, you put a little split shot in it. Whatever you're going to do, you can seal it up after.